In this video we are going to create an open to buy plan. To start, we select the Inventory Planner item from the menu. First, we want to make sure we are looking at the appropriate time period. Now we will create a baseline forecast for our entire product catalog. We select the total cell and select Data Seed from the context menu. We select the season, or time period in question, and use last year as the data source. This creates a baseline forecast based on last year's sales. We expect to sell slightly more than last year, so we change the baseline up by 15%. Once our baseline is set, we select individual category to plan. The objective of the plan is to have fairly low closing inventory at the end of the period, and highest possible gross margin. We start by planning our first intake. The indication of how much is needed is shown at the bottom of the table, the underbought line. We also may want to plan some introductory promotional markdowns, perhaps targeted offering to our most valued customers. We type in the discount percentage and adjust the sales figure accordingly. We continue filling the markdown line and adjusting the sales. At the same time, we may want to buy some additional goods, for example sizes or styles that are running low. Once we start reaching the end of the planning period, we must start planning our stock clearance markdowns. The overbought line serves as the target. Chances are that when we plan the markdowns, we are running low on goods to sell, so we may adjust our purchases or intakes at the beginning of the season. Next, we need to adjust our end-of-season markdowns and repeat the process until we have a solid plan that can be applied in practice. Now we can switch to the month view to get a compact look on our plan. As we can see, we can achieve almost 15% better gross margin even with aggressive discounts. Now we will switch to the money view. Here we can see the intake amounts at cost, which is our spending budget given our margin objectives, and when we switch to the extended view we can also see the approximate unit sales. To conclude, we have created an actionable plan to achieve healthy margin and sold most of the stock we purchased in the beginning of the season in just few minutes.